Addressing breaking news coming in, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived in Kevadia in Gujarat, where he will be addressing the key commanders conference, boosting the morale of our forces. The Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani received the Prime Minister at the airport. He tweeted, and I quote, "Gujarat warmly welcomes Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, greeted Honorable Prime Minister at the Ahmedabad airport with Honorable Governor Shri Acharya Devvrat ji." My colleague Shivani is live with us. Shivani, the Commanders Conference has been going on for 3 days. We've seen the biggest names, the likes of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who was there in Kevadia. Also today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and NSA Ajit Doval are to grace the conference. Also picking up, the Prime Minister is all set to address the Commanders Conference also. This will be the first time that he'll be addressing a conference of the defense, and he's expected to give directions to the defense forces for being prepared for the challenges in the future. What are you picking up?
Adiraj, this is a major event when we come to the defense sector of the country, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already reached Kevadia in Gujarat, and this is for the first time when the Combined Commanders Conference is happening in Kevadia. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi is already there, and in a short while from now, he will be addressing the Combined Commanders Conference. And this event, let me tell you, is an event where all the commander-in-chiefs of all Army, Navy and Air Force, all the 17 commands of the country, they are there. And since last 3 days, they have been reviewing the security and the defense preparedness of the country. And today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he will be addressing the conference, he will definitely be giving directions to all these top commanders onto the preparedness in the near future. And we see that the defense forces in India, Adiraj, have been transforming exponentially, and the restructuring of the defense establishment is underway. We've seen the progress of the new theatre commands that have been coming up. So the Prime Minister will also be briefed about the progress. And also we must mention here that this is the first Combined Commanders Conference after the LAC conflict and the disengagement that has happened along the LAC. So everything will be reviewed, and one very important thing here to mention is that we see that Indian Army is Army, Navy and Air Force, they are modernizing with the logo of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also be briefed, and he will be given presentations about whatever progress is being done and what is to be done next. We know that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is already there in Kevadia. He had reached yesterday. He addressed the commanders, and he also was given a presentation in the Vivechna session, where the brainstorming was held on to the restructuring, on transformations and whatever new is going on in the sector of defense in India. So today also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he will be addressing the top commanders, definitely he'll be giving directions onto the preparedness of Indian Defence Forces, and also he'll be getting presentations and briefings by all these commander-in-chiefs onto how the Indian Defence Forces are collaborating, because this Combined Commanders Conference comprises of all the 3 defence forces, Army, Navy and Air Force. So that synergy, that collaboration, that jointness is the key, is the focus of this Combined Commanders Conference. And from a short while from now, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the Atmanirbhar Bharat boost, how Indian Defence Forces are transforming towards self-reliance, that would be the key factor, because we know Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been focusing on self-reliance and how we can procure the weapons, the equipments in our country, within ourselves. And we know there was a list which was released by the Indian Army, the number of things which we will not procure for foreign countries. And very soon, a second list is also likely to be released by the Indian Army, by the Defence Minister, of all those things which will not be imported in the defence sector, and it will be procured within the country. So all these major key elements will be the focus of the Combined Commanders Conference, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the Commander-in-Chiefs.
Right, many thanks, Shivani, for tracking those latest developments coming in. A very big day and a big boost to the defense sector, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi all set to address the Commanders' Conference, which is taking place in Kevadia today. The visuals on your screen are of Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he lands in Ahmedabad. We'll be tracking this story for you and getting you the latest developments.